So I went to Walmart and I bought this Brinks lock. I was just looking for a lock to, mess with. This actually does have a couple of security pins in it, unlike these, but it's nowhere near as good as anything like a padlock or an American. So let's see. So there's nothing on one, nothing on two, maybe three. Alright, we got a little bit of core rotation there. But now, coming back up to two. 1, 3, 4, and I let off of something. There we go, we got it open. So, not hard to get open, but it does have a couple of spools in it. It's nothing like this Brinks lock, which is, it's a 4-pin tumbler, but nothing on 1, nothing on 2, go to 3, get a click, go to 4, and it's open. So that's only a 2-pin lock. And then, then we've got something like the Master Lock 5 series. I think it was a 7 or an 8 in the security rating. Like I said, they're nowhere near as good as these, but it's something.